Got it. Look at the camera. Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another day. Today we're going to do something fun for my niece. Like I told you yesterday in the ending of the vlog, we're gonna go build something with her. It's a little bit dark today. I thought it was gonna be sunny today. I didn't think it was gonna be raining, but it looks like it's gonna be a little overcast. But we're gonna make the best of today. It is 43 out right now, so not too cold. I know some of y'all probably saying that's freezing, but that is not too cold. Especially when it gets 23 at night. Which last night I think it stayed in the 40s, but yeah, we're on our way over here. I'm gonna film the process of what we're doing, and maybe some of you guys know what it is, and maybe it's in the thumbnail already. I don't know. You know, this always happens right here. It never fails. When I come to this stop sign right here, my camera falls over. I don't know if it's because I hit the brake too hard or what, but anyway, we're heading over here. It's gonna be like a 45-minute drive. After today, I'm taking a break of driving, like out of town, because this is the third day I've been coming to the same area. And yeah, I'm just tired of it, to be honest. Because yesterday I had to take my mom to St. Louis, and then, like, you know, the day before that I got my new phone, which I'm gonna do an unboxing on that this weekend. Actually tomorrow I hope to knock out a few videos for Vlogmas. We'll see. So anyway, guys, I'm not gonna show you too much of the trip getting over there, because mainly the event, that's the main thing. And I am driving separate than my brother, because him and my niece are probably gonna come back to town, whereas I'm already over there. I might also try to do some Instacart work, so try to knock two birds out with one stone type of deal, and just maximize my time. I don't like putting all these miles on my car, but like I said in my 100K car video, which I'll tag it right here, or 100K mile, I think I said that, I don't know, video, they're meant to be driven, so gotta drive them. So we're gonna get over here and I'll get back with you guys. I'm gonna try to wake up. It's 8:20 in the morning too. I didn't tell you guys that. It is 8:20 in the morning. It starts at 9, so we are definitely gonna be fucking late, but maybe like 10 minutes late possibly, just depending. And hopefully we get over here and we can still do what we need to do, and I'll explain more once we get there. Because if we get there and everything's taken up, boy, oh boy, oh boy, I'm gonna be mad, because I could have slept. I am so tired. I am so fucking tired right now. Like, these last 5, really the last week has been tiring, but these last 2 days have been extremely tiring. I've been trying to do things and be there for people in all good ways. I don't mean like be there for people and it's been bad, but yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna get back with y'all once we get there. All right, guys, we have made it, and look where we're at. A kid's favorite place, right? So we're going in here for the workshop day, and you guys are gonna see what my niece is gonna build. Yeah, yeah. You were speeding.
What?
You were speeding, and I called Mama and snitched on his bitch ass too, because he always want to talk about me flying down the highway. I don't never go 100. Like, this was gone in that family sedan. He put that V6 to work, boy. Blew that engine out. But anyway, you excited? No? Yeah? I guess I'll wait till we get in there then. Alright. One here, I don't know if they allow filming, but I've seen people go in Home Depots before, but yeah. It's probably outside. Oh, they over here beating it up too. I'ma beat it up. This is the kid workshop. They did this forever, since the 90s and early 2000s, I believe, but she don't know about Bob the Builder. Trying not to get these other kids in here, because I don't know these folks.
Good. Alright. Okay. It's open.
Ooh, that custom built house is bad. Do you hear me? Here, give me a high five. You did good. All right, guys, as you guys saw, it's probably cut up into pieces, but we are finished. Ella has her gingerbread house, the masterpiece, the creator, the designer, the everything. Anyway, I'm gonna get back with y'all.
Okay, Ella. All right, I got something to tell you. So this is what we're gonna do. What time is it?
11 something.
I mean, you can keep it as a surprise.
No, I'm just gonna tell you. All right. So we're gonna go get something to eat. And now, as of Uncle Malik and we talked. I decided I'm gonna take you to Sky Zone.
Well, and that's how them kids act in there too. Oh Lord, monkeys!
Stop. That artificial.
Hey,
that.
I guess that's where we're gonna go. You gonna go eat too though? I ain't hungry, but I'll go sit with y'all.
I mean,
or get her go
something.
there first and then make her work up a appetite.
We could.
Then she gonna sleep.
We could. I mean, it's whatever. It's just I know how she get. So.
Yeah. Well, anyway, guys, we're gonna go to Sky Zone and yeah, I guess we'll go from there.
Cool.
That could be the thumbnail too. Y'all walking up. That's good. Okay. Oh, but what I was gonna say earlier to you guys, and actually to my brother too, as we were trailing each other, I was just thinking like, I don't know, I wish I had kids because it made me think about mom trailing people, like going to do fun stuff like today, like family members or just family friends or whatever, but it made me feel like, damn, I should have a child. What?
You're catching. What you want? This setup's way different.
Oh, okay.
Way different. It wasn't like this.
Are you excited?
Okay, is they come back over here?
I'm gonna have some fun.
I can jump so high.
She can jump so high. This that jam.
Basically, you gotta service
Not the girl for me. There you go.
I'm scared.
You're not scared. Let's try it again.
I was saying she gonna be tired as hell. Oh Lord. Well, I am too. Anyway, guys, I think that's gonna be it for right now. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. That's why I need a damn mic. I don't know what else I'm gonna show because I don't think there's much more besides that over there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. But anyway, we'll get back with you. You gonna go again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, you go with me. Can someone go with me?
You on your own on that one.
Oh my God.
No, you can. You can do it. I'm trying to do it. What? What would you get? I got your car.
See something.
Uncle Malik got himself. Daddy got me. You got you.
All right, we had fun at Sky Zone. Was it a good time? Did you have fun today? Perfecto.
Perfecto.
All right. Anyway, guys, we are leaving. Well, I'm probably gonna stay here a little bit longer, and I might take you guys to the taco truck with me. But otherwise, I'm gonna start doing some work after we get done getting some food. And everybody else says adios.
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 All right.